My name's Joe. I'm a student here at JTech in the Diesel Technology program, and we're in fabrication now. And I'll show you how to use a stick welder today and what it does. Set at 105 to do the thickness of the steel to melt it properly, not too much or not enough. I'm using there's different types of sticks. You got the 70-80. It's a heavier, stronger tensile strength. Regular 60 that we have here. This is what we're going to use on this regular steel here. Basically, make sure to always wear protection like this. We have a live bar on the arc welder like this. Always wear this. It can burn you over time. And always wear a helmet. I'm going to throw a little weld right here. And basically what you want to do, real fast, whenever you're stick welding, I'll grab one of these. Because whenever you're going to have these two together, and this is a butt weld, which is these two pieces come together. There's different types. But this is the one I'm going to be doing. You're going to arc it, scratch on it, and come back down on it, and get a pull going, a little red cherry pull of molten metal. And you want to bring it back and forth like this right here, all the way down, and keep that cherry red, and just bring it all the way down basically. And that's how you use the stick welder as it gets smaller. But see if I can't throw a little weld real fast. This. It's a little hot, but what you use is a chipper. You chip the big stuff off of it. And you take it to the grinder wheel over here to grind it off. Clean it up. So basically that's the weld right there in the middle, and started up. See how I started up top and I got the pull going. I'll do this right here. So I got the pull going, and I started it, and I just went down all the way, kept the pull going, but at the end I pulled away too fast, and that's what this hole is, and melted it, and I just pulled away. I didn't let the puddle build again and seal this in. That's the only thing that I didn't do right. Other than that, there's no holes in the weld. It's connected good, and basically how you do a butt weld with a stick welder. Thank you for your time.